Monkey Business.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Business Series 2. Welcome back to Series 2. Today we are going to be teaching you lots of vocabulary around going to a restaurant.
我们今天的主题是餐厅里的对话 The conversation in restaurant.
So these are quite difficult level sentences, I would say, but great to learn because they're very, very common in Dongwon speaking restaurants. So when you first get there, most likely the host will ask you a question.
请问您有定位吗？
Which would mean,
请问
can I ask,
您有定位吗？
do you have a reservation?
定位是 reservation. So 请问您有定位吗？
Alright, now the next question is probably going to be we need a table for 2 people, right? Or we need 2 seats, we need to sit 2 people down. So how would you say that?
我们2位有位置吗？
So we need 2 seats, we have 2 people.
我们2位
Do you have any available?
您有位置吗？位置是 seats. So 有位置吗？
Do you have seats available?
Okay. And then waitress or waiter will say, yes, 有
Or no?
没有 Okay. 这边请
So please follow me.
这边请
Or this way, please.
这是我们的菜单
This is our menu.
菜单是 menu 这是我们的菜单
This is our menu. Conversation.
欢迎光临，请问有定位吗？
没有，我们有2位，现在有位置吗？
有，这是我们的菜单，这边请。
谢谢。
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so the next scene is going to be you sitting down and ordering food.
请问要点餐了吗？
So the first question the waitress may ask is,
请问要点餐了吗？
are you ready to order? Do you want to order? So
点餐是 order， 请问要点餐了吗？
Alright. So when you are ready to order, what would you say?
我要一份牛排。
Okay, so you want steak.
我要
So I want
一份牛排。
I want 1 steak.
So 一份是 major word for 牛排，一份牛排。
Right, so E is obviously 1. Fun is the major word for steak in this case, and Neil pie is the steak.
和马铃薯汤，和
And
马铃薯汤。
potato soup.
Now next，
Next, the waitress will want to know what you want to drink.
请问需要喝的吗？请问需要喝的吗？
So, can I ask, do you need a drink?
需要是 need， 喝的是 drink。请问需要喝的吗？ Or sometimes they will ask you， 需要饮料吗 ？Which means
Drink as well, the same thing.
对，饮料也是 drink。
And there's loads of different things you can have to drink. I think you already know milk, which is...
牛奶、
You already know water,
水、
tea,
茶、
beer.
啤酒、
I think just added to that we can have orange juice.
柳橙汁、
Alright, apple juice.
苹果汁。
Okay, so most of the time when you have juice, it's literally just the word after the fruit. Yeah, so 苹果 is apple, 汁苹果汁. Okay, 柳橙 is orange, 汁 is juice, right?
对。
Okay, so what about dessert?
需要点心吗
Okay, so 点心 is
？Dessert。
so she says,
需要点心吗？
do you need dessert? And let's say I want a cake.
蛋糕。
Super important, everyone loves cake.
蛋糕。And the super famous one， 巧克力蛋糕。
So you're very lucky here in Dongwon, chocolate sounds
Chocolate。
just kind of like the word chocolate, really. Chocolate, right?
对呀。
And then chocolate dangao, okay? Now, what if, I think once you've got your main course, you've got your drink, and you've got your pudding, right? Your dessert, then you're pretty much done, right? So
Yes.
how would you say that that's all?
这样就好了。
Okay, so
这样就好了。
this means, right,
That's all.
that's all, it's done, this is done. Okay.
And don't forget to say thank you. 谢谢。
Of course.
So yeah.
Conversation
Time. 请问要点餐了吗？我要一份牛排和马铃薯汤。需要喝的吗？
柳橙汁。
需要点心吗？
巧克力蛋糕，谢谢。
没问题。还需要点其他的东西吗？
这样就好了，谢谢。
好的，谢谢。